Linking your bank account to Apple Pay allows you to make secure payments easily. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Apple Pay. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you will manage your payment methods and add your bank account. Step 2. Tap on the plus sign. In the Wallet app, look for the plus sign plus in the upper right corner. Tap it to begin adding a new payment method. Step 3. Select bank account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, Apple Pay may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve receiving a verification code via email or text. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to Apple Pay, allowing you to make payments seamlessly. Enjoy the convenience of using Apple Pay for your transactions.